nation without a vision is just like a ship cruising in the high seas without any aim or direction. I, Saksham Pawar of Class 8, Bal Bharati Public School, Pitampura, New Delhi, would like to speak about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam does not need any introduction because of his immense contribution for the welfare of humanity. He always excelled in many of the fields such as medical, nuclear programs, defensive programs, as well as teaching. Due to paucity of time, I would like to throw some light on two main aspects of his life. First, his much sought after dream, and second, his political life and adventurous life. He always had a dream of making India a developed country. By doing so, it would help the citizens in terms of health, education, and economically, and pull out a great majority of population out of poverty. His dream was deep inside his heart. It was referred in many of his books, speeches, and articles. He always said that the first vision to be fulfilled was set up by our freedom fighters to gain freedom. But after attaining freedom, the citizens of India never had a collective vision. Moreover, countries like USA, Japan, China always had a collective vision due to which they could make their country as well as their citizens prosper. To make his dream true, he laid Vision 2020 and emphasized on the crucial role of technology. Now the question arises that what would a developed nation mean to a common one? It would mean that there would be a drastic change in the nation economy to make it as the world's largest economy. Second, the health as well as the educational grades would become high. Third, the national security would be assured. And fourth, every citizen would be earning above the poverty line. Now moving on to the political and adventurous life. Dr. Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India in 2002. Due to his affection towards his children, other than political life, more than 100 children attended his swearing ceremony. As the tenure as the President of India, he took many courageous decisions which were felt out of the league in the political class, such as historic decision of returning Office of Profit Bill back to the Parliament for reconsideration. In the history, it was the first incident when a president returned the office bill. Second, he visited the riot-affected area in Gujarat, which spread tremor in the whole political class of Gujarat. Third, he signed his resignation when Supreme Court overruled the presidential rule in Bihar. Later on, he took back his resignation. He was also the first president to visit Siachi Army's post at the temperature of -35 degrees Celsius. He flew in Sukhoi 30 at the speed of 2 Mach, which was the speed equal to the double speed of sound. He sailed in Sindhu Rakshak submarine, which went 40 meters below the sea. To conclude, I would like to say, वो कलाम नहीं कमाल थे, मिसाइल मैन वो बेमिसाल थे, उनकी खूबियां करती रहेंगी पथ प्रदर्शन मेरा, वो मेरी मातृभूमि की ढाल थे, वो कलाम नहीं कमाल थे. थैंक यू.